glad you guys are joining us for this recipe video. It was definitely one for the books. Make sure to pause and screenshot that for all the ingredients. We started by baking our butternut at 200 degrees for 20 minutes. So we pre-prepped the butternut, no oil, nothing. And these cauliflower wraps, guys, were delicious. We got these from Pick n Pay, minimal ingredients, and they really came out nicely in the oven. I just pre-chopped all the veggies, and then for our base, we mixed sun-dried tomato pesto and some tomato paste. It was really delicious with like a teaspoon of garlic. Spreading that on your base as your first layer, and then add your vegan cheese. Oh man, love.
Oh.
I called Darryn out on his inefficient way of spreading the cheese. Go ahead and add whatever toppings you want. We used bell peppers and some mushrooms. We've got some zucchini going on there. You want to make sure those are nice thin slices so they bake nicely in the oven. And then that roasted butternut, that was really the highlight for me. Changed the game. Have fun with the toppings. You can really put whatever you like. I'd wish I put more tomatoes. It really baked nicely in the oven, so next time I'll put some more. Put some spinach on there. I would also recommend maybe putting the spinach on afterwards. It kind of burned. After 15 minutes in the oven, we took them out and then added our final toppings. So we had avo, a little bit more spinach, and then some seasoning, salt, pepper, and Italian herbs.
Ooh! I'll pop this bad boy in.
I highly recommend you give these pizzas a try, guys. They really were a game changer. Let us know in the description below if you did try them and if you enjoyed them.
Ooh, shit, son!
Make sure to like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you in the next one.